Alright, so we're underneath the rear of the truck, and now we have a nice clear view of our rear shock. There's going to be a bolt that comes through from the inside towards the outside with a nut. We're going to go ahead and remove this, and then right up top there's going to be two mounting bolts. We'll remove those last. Following the rear shock up, you're going to find one mounting bolt here, and then one on the opposing side. This is going to be the last thing holding the shock in, so make sure you hold on to that. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to activate our rear shock. To do that, I'm just going to go ahead and get this right out of here. I'm going to let this come all the way up. Once it comes all the way up, we're going to continue on by pressing it down as far as we can, and then let it come all the way up again. Continue this process 3 to 5 times, and that's what's going to activate your shock. It's a good idea to inspect your bolt threads and make sure it's all in good condition. If anything looks as though it's damaged or not usable, go ahead and replace it. Now let's just quickly look at the top of the shock. What you're going to notice is this mounting area along the top is a little bit at an angle in one direction or the other. You want to make sure that you pay attention to that when you start putting this up and into the truck, because if I put it up like this, and then of course I have it lined up, you want to make sure that this is going to be going in the same direction as the angle of the actual truck up there. So if I put it in backwards, you can tell that it's really not going to be lining up very well, and it might cause damage. Let's start those upper bolts in there. Now let's just go ahead and push up on that shock and let it come down so our holes line up. There we are. Let's go ahead and get our washer and our nut on here. Alright, at this point we're going to continue on by snugging up all of our bolts. Once we have them bottomed out, we're going to torque the lower bolt to 74 foot-pounds and the two top bolts to 13 foot-pounds. Alright, now the process would be the same for the other side of the truck.